Hey, I'm Scott, and today I'm going to quickly go over how to clear up a copyright claim on YouTube with music from Tunepocket. So first of all, what is a copyright or content ID claim, and why can it happen? Simply put, according to YouTube, if you upload a video that contains copyright protected material, you could end up with a content ID claim. In this case, we're talking about music, and specifically, music made by Tunepocket artists. So why can you still get a claim if you have a subscription to Tunepocket? Isn't their music royalty free? Well, yes, but that doesn't mean it's not copyright protected against use by non-subscribers. Again, simply put, according to Tunepocket, some of their composers have opted to protect their music from unauthorized use by registering it in YouTube's Content ID system. Each music track registered with Content ID is clearly marked as such. Over 50% of the content on Tunepocket is not registered, however, so if you want to avoid this altogether, you can easily browse through and use only that music. Anyway, the great part of this is that if you have a Tunepocket subscription, you also have a licensing certificate, so your use is not unauthorized. However, YouTube doesn't always know that, and that's where the copyright claim comes into play. A major thing to note here is that this is not a strike against your channel. Even if you take no action, the only thing this means for you is that ads will be put onto those videos. If you want those ads removed, it only takes a few steps, and you should only have to do this once, so it really isn't much trouble at all. I have done this myself, and it's been no problem. First up, check which video has the claim in your video manager on YouTube, and click the link to see the name of the song. After that, you'll want to log into Tunepocket, find the song in your download history, and download the licensing certificate. Finally, head over to adrev.net/contact-us and fill in the form with your name, email, and YouTube URL, choose to have a claim released as your subject, and upload the licensing certificate you downloaded from Tunepocket. It's a good idea to add a simple message here saying something like, I have a subscription to a stock music library that lets me use any of their tracks on YouTube. Please whitelist my channel to prevent future claims. This will, well, prevent future claims. And that's about it. In my case, it took a day or so to get cleared up, but I suspect it may be faster in some cases. As a little bonus point here, you can upload your video as unpublished, clear the claims, and then publish it if you want to avoid going through this process after your video is already public. And that really is all there is to it. So these copyright or content ID claims are nothing to be worried about, and they don't even require any additional action from you unless you want to remove those ads that will be placed on your video. Even if you do, like I said, it only takes a few steps and you should only have to do it once, so it really doesn't take much time or effort at all, and it allows those Tunepocket artists to keep themselves protected. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below, or head over to tunepocket.com and check out their facts section where they have very detailed answers to this and many more questions that you may have. If you liked this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more in the future, and as always, thank you for watching.